A few days ago, I released a chart of the dollar index with technical analysis showing that the support level at 94.9 was in jeopardy. I thought that it would probably test it and would probably break it, considering how weak the dollar was looking, despite how the Fed's official balance sheet has actually decreased by about $204 billion officially since June 10th. The dollar on the dollar index was acting very weak. So this is updated technical analysis on the chart here. There is one remaining support level above 94 from 2018, from September 17th, 2018. Otherwise, the remaining support levels are in the low 90s and in the 89 range. So the dollar index is, unless it miraculously holds up at support levels, at some of those support levels, it is going back to the 2018 levels and going to test those support levels. It's very interesting. I think there's something going on behind the scenes that we don't know about because the Fed's official balance sheet has been declining substantially. The currency swap lines have supposedly been declining substantially. So a lot of this just doesn't make sense. But Congress is supposed to be sending out MMT stimulus checks in the next 4 to 6 weeks. So that might be part of it. But it's really interesting that the dollar is showing weakness now when the Fed's official balance sheet is not rapidly increasing. So there might be, like I said, I think there's stuff that we're not being told, the public is not being told that's going on behind the scenes. Maybe there's a lot of additional bailouts. Maybe that special purpose vehicle that the Fed and Treasury and BlackRock are using. Maybe there's way more corporate bond purchases or other toxic assets that we're not aware of yet that's not being released publicly. I suspect that that might be the case to help out some of the large US banks, maybe a Wells Fargo. But I think the dollar index, it's not looking good. It's definitely going to test that support level there at 94.22 soon. And we'll see if it holds. I'm not optimistic that it's going to hold. And then it's back to 2018 levels on the dollar index. And we'll see what happens from there.